Europe is one of the most developed and economically powerful regions in the world. But when you look at its skylines, something feels different. While cities in Asia and North America are filled with towering skyscrapers, most European cities remain relatively low-rise. The answer is not about technology, it's about history, culture, and planning. So why doesn't Europe build many skyscrapers? Modern skyscrapers first appeared in the late 19th century in Chicago, and later in New York City. At that time, America was rapidly growing. Land in city centers became extremely valuable, and vertical construction became the solution. Meanwhile, Europe's cities were already centuries old. Places like Paris and Rome were built around historic architecture, narrow streets, and public squares. There was no urgent need to build upward. Europe developed differently, more evenly, and with stronger focus on tradition. After World War II, many European cities were heavily damaged. Some believed this would lead to modern skylines. But instead, Europe chose restoration over transformation. Historic buildings were rebuilt, city layouts were preserved, cultural identity became a priority. At the same time, Europe had slower population growth compared to other regions, reducing demand for massive commercial towers. So skyscraper development remained limited. A major turning point happened in Brussels during the 1960s. Without strong regulations, many historic buildings were demolished for modern office structures. This caused public outrage. The term Brusselization was created to describe uncontrolled redevelopment. In response, cities introduced stricter zoning laws. Many European cities began protecting historic centers and moving high-rise development into designated districts like La Défense. This allowed growth, but away from historic skylines. Since the early 2000s, skyscrapers have increased in major financial centers such as London, Frankfurt, Istanbul. Urbanization is growing globally. More people are moving into cities, increasing demand for residential towers. Europe may see more skyscrapers in the future, but one thing will always remain important: preserving history. Europe doesn't avoid skyscrapers because it lacks progress. It limits them because it values its past. And that balance between innovation and preservation is what makes European cities unique. Subscribe to Global Drafting Studio for more content on architecture, cities, and design. Turn on the bell icon so you don't miss new videos. Follow us on our other platforms and visit our website to explore our work.